Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. The show's blowing up. We're about ready to enter fall. I'm so tired of summer. I'm ready to get it on. So we're going to be doing something really interesting. It's called Buttery Balsamic Wings. So I'm going to show you how to make it all. Come on in close. I'll show you all the ingredients we're using, and then we'll get this thing started. All right? Let's do it. All right, let's just get right on to the fact. The fact is I bought too many wings. I should have probably only done one package, but I bought two packages. So we're going to do a double batch. We're doing a lot of marinade. We're going to take these wings. They're almost room temperature. They're still a little cold. We're going to bring them to room temperature. We're going to marinate them. So let's get the, first thing we want to do is get the marinade put together, okay? So let's go over all the ingredients. Here is some poultry seasoning. Here's some minced garlic. Pepper. The star of the show is balsamic vinegar and a stick of butter. All right, let's get this thing started here. You guys can see everything? Yep, good. Put our balsamic in first. Get that put in. Put in some poultry seasoning. Get that put in. Pour in a little bit of minced garlic. And of course, lots of pepper. And then we're going to take our stick of butter. Obviously, it's still solid. We probably need to melt it. So let me melt that really quick. And last but not least, here's the butter. Pour that in. Shake that all in there. Get your fork. Get it all mixed up. All right, guys, so here's what we're going to do. Got a big bag of chicken wings here. Looks like we're having a party. That's why they call them party wings, right? Got to pour the marinade in. So let's do that right now. Get it wide open. Get it poured in. So make sure you're storing a big bowl. In case it leaks, you don't want it all over the fridge. And then every so often you can just rotate the bag in here. Don't worry about it. Just flip the meat. Let it just soak there. 8 to 24 hours. I'm going to be cooking this later on today, okay? So I'm going to leave it like this. I'll flip it every so many minutes to get it marinated, all the seasoning coated on everything. That's a lot of chicken wings. All right, guys, I got two trays that look just like this, loaded with wings, marinating for 8 hours. I'm pulling them out now, and I'm going to roast them about 400. And I'm using my convection oven so it'll cook faster. But we'll take a look at these bad boys when we're done. Let's get them in. All right, these look beautiful. This is just some of the few. You saw the big bag I had. There's a ton. We're going to take some over to Jack Jr.'s house and share these wonderful wings with him. But first, they got like kind of crispy on the outsides a little bit. I kind of like that. I like the skin to be crispy. So that's all good. They're juicy. They look plump and juicy, and I could smell the balsamic that's in the wings. I can't wait. I hope it has that buttery balsamic flavor. Smells so delicioso. So amazing. I don't know which one we're going to try. They're still a little warm. Let's try this one. This one's not that warm. We'll give this a bite. Here we go. Brown and crispy, buttery, balsamic-y. I love it. Wow. The moment my lips touch the skin, I can taste the butteriness. and the ball. I would marinate. If I did this video again, I'd do it overnight. I only did it for 8 hours, but the next time, overnight. Because I want more balsamic, even more than that. That has a great balsamic flavor, great butter flavor, great seasonings. This came out really good, guys. So I guess this is going to be my dinner tonight. So I will see you guys on the next episode. Give this a try. Let me know what you think, all right? I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.